everyone, how are y'all? I am fine and I hope you all are fine too. So today I have come to talk about something which is really important for all you singers, songwriters or a small group of podcasters. So it is a very important product for all of y'all. So the name of this brand is Soundcraft. So this is a Notepad 8 FX. It's a small format analog mixing console with USB with Lexicon effects. So if you are a singer, songwriter or a small group of podcasters, Notepad Mixers offers features that can bring a level of polish to your creative production. The Notepad 12FX features studio quality effects by Lexicon, enhances your projects with reverb, chorus or delay with tap tempo control backed by industry leading signal processing technology. So I will show you exactly how this is operated. So just take a look at how this is operated. So look at this is the entire top view of our audio mixer. So this is Soundcraft Notepad 8FX. This has Lexicon effects. So we do not have anything on the sides, no ports on the sides. All the ports are on the top, which you can see. So we have 8 ports for the sound effect. So 2 are for the vocals, 4 are for the guitar and all the gadgets, the instruments, the musical instruments which you have to use, and these two ports would be connected to the TV or your other DVD outlets, and this will be exclusively for your PC or your laptop. This is a USB port, as you can see. So as you can see, these are the internal inputs and this will be the external output. So remember, these two will be for the external speakers. This will be for the headphones. This is the auxiliary to the monitor. So let's move further. As you can see, there are gain controls for every channel. So every channel has a gain control, as you can see very clearly over here. Below this, you will see that there are high, medium and low frequency controllers. Below this you will find the effect and the auxiliary control. So I'll come to it later on about this. This is the pan for the left speaker and the right speaker. So all of this will be the overall volume level. Whenever your voice goes beyond 0 decibels, this particular portion will alert you. This red light will alert you that your voice is getting distorted. So accordingly you have to bring down your gains. So here now let's move further and look at the Lexicon effects. So here we have reverb, chorus and delay. So once you click any of this, you can then modify this effect by playing with this knob. This is the parameter. Look at this in the right side, you have this overall master fader. So whenever your voice is clipping, you can see the effects on these lights. They start blinking and you will come to know as in how much it is clipping. So this is the output type. Over here, by clicking, you will get the mono effect or the stereo effect. By using this toggle button, you can either switch from master to aux or from aux to master. The best feature of this mixer is that we get to hear separately the master and the auxiliary effects. So this, in this price range, this is the best feature which this gadget gives, which many of the other sound mixers don't give. So you can set whatever parameters you want over here, and over here you can set as much as you decide. For example, if you set 100 over here, you can set 20 or 40 or any other figures over here according to your requirements, and it all works in sync. If you are planning to sync this with your PC or your laptop. So you just need to connect this with your USB port. So you will not need any other power adapter, only this will work along with your PC or your laptop. So all you Windows users, please download the Soundcraft drivers from the Soundcraft website and you are good to go then. This I am alerting you because it's very important. It's not a plug and play device. You have to download the drivers from the Soundcraft website. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. So isn't that so good? This is exactly what any singer or songwriter or music producer would look for. So this is why I decided to make a review of this product for all you songwriters and singers. So the signal processing technology is built into the Notepad's DSP engine. The deceptively compact Notepad mixers easily fit in a gear bag and provide plenty of capability for writing sessions, rehearsals and gigs. So Notepad mixers are engineered to provide iconic Soundcraft performance and allows you to connect your favorite gear like microphones, guitars, keyboards and more. So this feature really makes it really easy to operate. So the Notepad 8 FX gives your production a level of polish typically achieved by recording studios. So what is the cost of this? The cost is 8,810. So you can use my affiliated link below and you can buy it immediately and you can use it for all those polished kind of songs which you can make immediately after buying it. So that becomes really easy for all of us to make good sounding songs and give good effects to it. So why not buy it immediately and make your life simple? So go ahead and buy it. Happy buying!
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.